What's up, guys? Billy at Two Brothers here. Thanks for tuning into the YouTube channel. We're down here at World Cup, Bradenton, Florida, for a GTR, Nissan GTR drag race event. Pretty nice event. We were here yesterday. If you're just now tuning into this video, we were here yesterday, Friday, for like a test and tune series. Had a couple of little hiccups early in the day. Had a couple of oil pressure issues kind of dropping out. Had some oiling issues. Got that sorted. Ran a 780 pass yesterday on kind of a mid boost setup in the GTR and our drag GTR. Today got a little bit of a rain delay. Was going to tech in and had a freak thing kind of happen. Fuel pump died out right at tech. Luckily it wasn't on the track. Died kind of at idle. Found a faulty ground wire, power wire. Got that all connected back up. They're kind of going over the car now, checking a few things, checking the oil, going over, kind of putting some things together here. Round one, we missed round one of qualifying, unfortunately, by a little bit. Fixing to start up here in a minute. Like again, a rain delay here, so we'll keep you guys up to date on kind of what's going on, and hopefully make a little better pass, a little faster pass for qualifying. Pretty fast cars in this class that I'm in. There's a few shop cars and stuff here that are pretty well race cars, so we're not really expecting to win it, but hopefully we'll qualify good and be up the ladder a little bit. I think there's maybe 20 cars or 24 cars in our field, so keep following along. We'll keep you updated. Check out what we got going on here. All right, in the staging lanes, fixing to make our first pass of the day. Got the fuel pump issue taken care of, got the wiring done. Everything's looking good. We're 6 or 8 cars back here, so it'll be a minute, but fixing to make a pass, and hopefully she goes A to B. Turned it up a little bit, still not on full tilt or anything, but make a little more power this time. Hopefully a new personal best right here. Let's see how it does, and see how the track is, and we'll go from there. Real good, yeah. I sent you the slip, 129. I didn't think it was a 129. It didn't feel like a 129. It was, I saw it popping up, oil pressure on the thing, but it never shut, obviously.
Yeah, so there's a level where it warns you and
yeah.
a level where it cuts. So you're just
right at it, okay, yeah. Finally got the 4-second 8 mile too, 498. That's all I wanted. So just made a second pass, first round of qualifying. Shouldn't be up pretty high in qualifying. I ain't got to update and see what everybody's done, but 758, 189 mile an hour, 4-second 8 mile. That was a big goal that I've had in mind for a long time. So pumped up for sure. Should 129, which is good, but slow for this car. Yeah, usually in 1.1, real low 1.2. So I mean that in itself will cut down, probably get down to a 480 right there, 470. So 151 mile an hour through the 8th. So we're making some jam now, making some power. Rob will get done here in a little bit, hook up to it, see where it's at, and then maybe try to turn it up a little bit more. But I'm stoked for sure. I'm pumped. 498 in the 8th. So my 4-second 8 mile. Did you find the live feed? 758 at 188.
Who else?
And then Rawshider's 1. I'm number 3. I mean, you think it should make another hit? I think stay there, right?
I mean, they might have a third tonight. So
yeah.
See what the next round does.
And then kind of wait from there. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They just updated the leaderboard there, the qualifications. I'm set number 3. Got some pretty fast, 2 fast cars in front of me, and not everybody's ran. So right now, set number 3. Don't think we're going to hit it again yet. For number 3, they may run another one tonight. Technically run all 4 today instead of doing one in the morning. So we'll kind of see where everybody else sets. And but I'm pumped. I can't believe we're setting number 3. I honestly expected to be way down the board. There's some very fast cars here. So set number 3. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. All right, guys, back out here on Sunday. Little chilly down here. We thought we were coming to Florida for some sunshine and some warm weather, but turns out it followed us down. A little cold front, so shut the track down yesterday evening about dusk. Right as it was getting dark. Track was getting pretty sketchy. Had a couple of cars wreck and get a little squirrely, so shut it down. Was supposed to run a round of qualifying this morning, but we've had a real light mist, rain all day, real cold track, so we're 4 or 5 hours behind schedule right now. So they canned that last round qualifying. They're just going to do straight into elimination, so we're sitting pretty good. We're sitting number 3, so we've got a car that's on down the field a little ways. We'll see kind of how it goes. Just want to get a good clean pass. We're going to turn the car up a little bit from yesterday. Get a good clean pass and hopefully go some rounds. Go on to the next round and at least get up to goal. Now is I set a good time. So top 3 would be awesome, especially out of a 15, 18 car field. There's kind of brought a knife to a gunfight on some of these cars. So we're hoping for the best and keep watching, and we'll see kind of how this goes.
They were skating pretty good.
Were they?
So Jan's out.
But they both made a full pass?
Do what?
Did they both make a full pass?
760 to 774, but Jan spun bad off the line, so.
Which lane was he in?
He was in the right lane.
I'm not going to make a pass if he don't come.
You got to buy. Don't risk it.
No.
Let the track warm up. Just go the next round.
For sure.
So you just chilling this one?
If he don't come up.
Nobody shows up, yeah. I think that's the smart thing to do.
I got the buy.
Huh?
I got a buy.
Oh, you got a buy?
I'm just going to cruise down.
Yeah. All right, yeah. Just break the beams and not too crazy. How'd it feel out there?
Dude, it was pretty wild. It was all over. It was skating. Bro, I honestly, I was halfway down the track, I was like, damn, I hate driving down the track. It's sketchier driving down the track like that than it is making a pass.
So there's a couple big upsets. It's good for us. We're not the fastest car in the field, but the fastest car doesn't always win the race. So a couple huge upsets. Another car potentially broke. They did make it across the beams, but they've got to get it fixed before round 2 or they're done. Another big competitor got knocked out, was sleeping on the tree. So that's huge for us because, like I said, we're kind of middle of the field. We've got the car turned up today. Hopefully the track's going to hold it. You know, it's been cold all day. The sun's finally starting to peek out just a little bit, but hey, we're hopeful. We're going to do it, and let's see what we can do. Oh, yeah. Quickest car, world record holder versus John Shepherd, the legend. Okay, here we go.
Come on, Shep.
Car shut down for a second.
They're both nice as can be. Oh, shit.
Left lane, Shepherd. You can't bet against
He went
Shepherd.
right in quick.
All right, here we go.
Pieces of something.
That motor just, bro, there's pieces.
Hopefully that wasn't motor.
There's pieces of something everywhere.
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 Oh yeah, there's something that was
that
glued.
diff?
I'm racing, I don't remember who it is now. Tony Ernest? Oh, okay. Is that, which one is that? Which, you don't remember which car? It went a 784. At 184 or something, 186. Which, you know which color car it is? 29?
Okay. I think I know the car. It's a beautiful car. That color pops. Finally getting some sun too. Should be interesting. The guy chopped down the tree last time, had a quick reaction time. We got him beat on time by a little bit, but he had the mile an hour, had the reaction time, so should be a good race. Really going to come down, I think, driver's race, traction, sun's coming out. We'll see if we can get it done now.
All right, here we go. Competitor or broke in the first round, so we made it through it. Heading into round 2, got the edge on this next car by a little bit, but he got a good reaction time, so we're going to try to get a good clean pass. Car's turned up a little bit. Let's see what it does. Hopefully make it into the next round.
Bill's first up to the line. Told him, I said, just, you know, clean pass, A to B, watch the tree. I think we got it. I'm nervous for him. I can't imagine what he's feeling right now. My heart's pumping. Hopefully he's a little more cool and collected.
All right, car number 17. He's still going down the racetrack. An 814 at 162 miles an hour, losing to the whole shot aided 830 at 159 miles an hour.
Bro, that couldn't have been any worse luck.
Did you see that? My shoe came out, the whole track. I was dragging it, yes. I wasn't letting out of it. I barely beat him.
Yo, that happened with Brad Jepson 2 years ago.
Bro, no way I was letting out. Hey. No, I don't think I won. Damn it. I just got my slip and it says the right side won. I didn't think I did. I thought that you, no, I didn't cut it too soon. I just didn't know. I didn't think I did. It says win on the thing that he won.
2016.
Thank you. I have no idea, baby. It came out. I don't know. Damn it.
I said an 8-0 with the shoe is pretty impressive.
Dude, I don't know what.
The shoe came out.
I spun bad.
Yeah, I shook the shit out of the tire.
Yeah, the tire was shaking really bad.
It got sketchy down here.
Oh, yeah.
How was it?
Is that as far as it goes? Yeah.
How was it after the finish line?
Sketchy.
Such a bummer. Tire shake, pin came out. We almost outran him with the shootout. Let me get this slip. We ran an 8.1 at 162 with the parachute out. Guy ran an 8.3 at 159. Won by 15 thousandths at the tree. Just not our day, but I mean that's racing. Happens. Kind of bummer, but you know, hey, the car's still alive. Didn't break nothing. I don't know. We'll see. You know, part of it. Good luck to number 29. Maybe he'll win it all.
Hey, that's fucking
Bro, thanks. That's sick.
fucking sick, dude.
Dude, that looks so good.
Wow. Good job, guys.
That's awesome. That's sick. All right, so second round of eliminations, didn't go too hot. Got a lot of tire shake off the hit, off the 60, did the slowest 60 it's ever done. Pin fell out of the chute. Chute deploys, it was pretty crazy. I noticed it was out about the 1,000 foot mark, or yeah, around the 1,000 foot mark, 8th mile, something like that. I hammered in it. Guy had already, I guess, let out or had a problem or something. I got the quicker time, but he beat me by 15 hundredths of a second. So like super, super close. Just unfortunate. Part of racing. It is what it is. We'll try again next time. Still super pleased with the weekend and how everything went. So can't ask for much better. Did an 8.14 at like 160 with a parachute out the whole way down the track. So I'm pumped. It is what it is. But go to the dinner tonight, have some drinks and get some dinner and have a good time. So.